Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate a hugely important update which has been assigned to Illustrator CC. Now this applies to both the pen tool and the pencil tool. I'm going to jump right in and show you what it is. I'm going to use the pen tool just for speed, and I'm going to draw out this leaf again, just making some curves, clicking the anchor points to create new curves, and closing that shape like so. Now you'll see this isn't quite perfect. You see it doesn't match the sketch beneath. If I wanted to adjust this, previously I'd have to use these control handles. Now the more intricate the shape, the more difficult it becomes to use control handles, and exactly why the pen is such a bugbear for many people. But now, however, there's a feature being added called path segment reshaping. Essentially, in layman's terms, what this is, it means with the direct selection tool or the anchor point tool, we can grab a curve at any point and simply place it wherever we wish. So we can adjust that there, we can grab this, and we can place it here, we can grab this curve, place it down slightly. So this is very powerful when it comes to using the pen and the pencil tool. The ability to simply grab curves and put them into position is a game changer, and one you'll definitely want to explore to make your logo design work so much easier.